Dad never catch me. I'm good. Go get some hookers. I'm gonna get some. Sick of being a virgin. I've got money. Come here. One of you. I just want to lose my virginity. Hurry up.
Get home, we don't have time, get home, Hurry up, it says Paula.
Yo, I forgot to find the bread. Food, something to eat.
Banana chips.
Yo, grab up everything. Something.
Get too hard, man.
I want no food. Can't live in a crackers can't share, you know. You don't say that thing here, you know.
I can't get the stickers.
Over there. How much for this?
Hello?
Yo, you have money for it?
No, much. Mom!
What? That you never did enough?
No, I never did.
When you see it, is it after a lot with? Is it after a lot with? Okay, I'm done. After a lot with acid is a dangerous thing. You see what I do? After a lot with acid, that you know.
That's a what?
After a lot with acid. Box, so fun. Yeah, me. You see when it, you see when you lick the zombie, as the one head flies up, as the 1 foot flies up, and as the 1 hand flies up. Dog. You don't come save your right back time. Thank you, dog. You're safe, man. I get rid of them, man. Blow them up.
You're scraping, you're not making love. Scraper. Scraper. It's harder than a man, scraper, man. Your zombie want to eat her flesh. Bite her shoulder, her right shoulder. Yep, perfect. Bite it again. Bite it again. Yes. Great.
She beat at the end.
Yeah, this is Simon Snow Thompson. He just watched Zombie Film episode 6 and I'm thankful to say it's finished. We have 4 more episodes to go, so please stay tuned. I really appreciate all the support that you've given us so far. You know, carry on watching Zombie Film and don't forget to subscribe. Yosef Imagination. Bless up.